everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a tutorial on 3 ways to wear hair wrap. Ladies, if you are about that bundle life, you know sometimes the maintenance can just get in the way. If you are looking for a quick look, you wake up, you don't feel like doing the fresh curls, or just want to spice up your outfit a little bit, my go-to is a headpiece. So I'm going to show you the 3 ways that I rock my scarves. So the first one, I'm gonna do like a turban top knot. So for that look, I just take a scarf. You want something kind of big, and I fold it like triangular, almost in half, not quite. You want to leave a lot of room, because for the turban one, you want to make sure that you do have a lot of room to do the knot. So I turn it around, I bring the point to the front, and then I just start forming this shape, and then I just start twisting. And you're gonna bring that twist into a ball. You want it really tight so it can be secure. And to secure my knot, I just take a scrunchie and I'll loop it around. You can kind of pull and play with the circle depending on how big you like it. So that is look number 1. Okay, so the second look is going to be like your traditional bandana look, just the triangle that you tie around your head and bring to the back. So I'm going to keep my scarf in that same shape that I made. I'm going to fold it in the triangle. This time I'm going to bring it back and just tuck it like this, and voila, that look is done. A little bad girl Rihanna vibes, wild thoughts, and that's your second look, you guys. Okay, and the last look, it's almost like a turban look but without the big knot, and I just bring the whole wrap around my head. It's kind of hard to explain, but I'll just show you. So once again, keeping that scarf in the triangle, bringing it back to the front this time, and then you tie a knot. And you want to make sure all those holes are tucked. My knot, I bring the pieces over, and then I just tuck them in the sides. And just tuck those in there really tight. Bring that down to the front somewhere. And that's the last look, you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed these 3 looks. Stay tuned for the next video. Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a tutorial on 3 ways to wear hair wrap. Ladies, if you are about that bundle life, you know sometimes the maintenance can just